So, you want more traffic from your social media to your website?
I'm Carolyn, owner of Bad Axe Enterprises, and this is a Marketing Minute.
Woo! To get more traffic from your social media to your website, plan your social posts in a way that the content offers a small taste of what you offer on your website. Direct traffic to your site in calls to action and captions, in links, in basically all of your messaging on social media. If you're product-based, this can look like inviting folks to explore your full collection or all your works on your website or in your store. For services, explain your services in greater depth and have inquiries or work with me forms and things like that on your website, or also for either product or service-based businesses, have resources that you only share on your website. You want to get people over there, you have to make an effort.
You know what to do next.